So hey loves, welcome back to another video. So let's see, I'm back. I don't know what's up with this pimple. It was going away and then it was coming back. I can't. Right there, y'all see it's so red. But y'all see my face though. That skin, that Urban Skin RX be lit. So alright, I want to start this video off before I get in the shower. Wants to show y'all what I got from Flava Wear. Okay, I had went back and I got 4 more items. They so lit though. So let me show you guys. So this is the skirt and the ties. Like a little crop top. It's cute. Get this orange one. Top. Here's the bottoms. It's like the gray pink one I had. Okay, now these 2 items, they come with masks. So it got the mask. This is the shirt. Crop top shirt. With some sweats. And then I have this one. Got the mask. It's like a mesh outfit. Ask me where I'm going. I don't know yet. So cute. Then with the pants. This is like, I gotta go away and wear this because this is too much for the hood. Alright, so I'm about to go get in the shower. I'm gonna wash my face with that Urban Skin RX. And I will be back. Alright y'all, so I didn't put on that pink one with the mask. I put on the orange one because my pants is too big. Y'all know. Thank you. And I'm just going to do like a quick natural beat today. Something chill. I don't feel like the whole face of makeup today. Alright, so I'm about to set y'all up so I can start my makeup in a second.
Shawty made that ass up, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it, nothing, you niggas no more.
Bumps and shit. Hey. Tomorrow doesn't exist like it doesn't exist. Gonna feel my tears I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the Alexa, play different station.
Here's a station you might like. Top R&B on Amazon Music.
Alexa, next song. Got me singing like a lead show. Got me using all your lingo. Tell your girlfriend that she's single. Call me over cause I go hard. Sweet little baby like a porn star. Next day acts like you broke dog. Bitches ask me how you know her. Taking for baby coca. Too love gotta get a boca. Just want a supernova. Fuck that, I ain't coming over. Come over, can I stop by to see you tonight? Can I stop by to see you? Both on fire, love the teamwork. Leave with juices on your t-shirt. Loud and clear, no need for reverb. Tell the Uber drive a reaper. Flip that bitch and make a U-turn. Sex tape crazy, need a blooper. Last time I made you a trooper. Sniper, game is probably Cooper. I am hell, it's nice to meet ya. Know you fucking with a demon. Do about anything to please ya. Come inside me, I'm a keeper. Want me to make you a scene. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also to turn on your post notifications, because sis really be uploading videos every day, like every day. So make sure y'all turn on your post notifications. Also follow me on social media. Everything's gonna be linked down below. Also hit up Kizzi Fashion. I forgot to tell y'all I'm sold out of all my blacks. Like I only have that one black left, and that's mine. So I'm sold out of all my blacks. And thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Okay.